2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. Stock's number 26877. This vehicle is a four-wheel drive. It's green in color. It's a factory tow package. It also has leather interior. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 automatic transmission. It's available to view at Grizzly Motors in Barrhead. Here we are inside this 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. As you can see, it has power door locks and power windows. This vehicle has child safety locks and power mirrors. It also has adjustable foot pedals, heated seats with memory, and easy out. It has automatic headlight setting. It also has four-wheel drive with auto four-wheel drive. Has intermittent wipers, steering wheel audio controls, driver information center. It also has cruise control, tow haul mode, AM FM CD player. It also has DVD. It has two auxiliary power outlets, cup holders, lots of storage in the center console. This vehicle has leather upholstery in tan. It has a DVD system. This 2004 Avalanche also has a sunroof. Has a Bose stereo. Come on down to Grizzly Trail Motors and take it for a test drive. We are in the rear of this Avalanche. You can see it has power windows and locks. It has rear audio controls and headphone hookups for the DVD system. Leather interior. Center armrest with cup holders. Come on down to Grizzly Trail Motors and take this vehicle for a test drive.